I've never seen him so tired before. He's been sleeping like all day. I mean, that's fine, I guess, because he's not going to be bothering me when I film a video, but I feel bad. He's just chilling right there. Anyway, whatever, let's just start the video. So, it's the end of the month, and I have yet to put up a giveaway video. First off, I just want to say I'm sorry for that. Kind of dropped the ball on that one. I guess not really, it wasn't really my fault. There was just a delay in shipping, and the board isn't going to be here until April, so I'm not going to have the carbon fiber deck for this month. And I apologize for that, I'm so sorry. It sucks, I really wanted to give it away because I also ordered one for myself and I wanted to skate it. But it's just going to be a little delayed, and we will have that for next month. But for this month, since I am behind and I wasn't able to do that for you guys, I'm giving everybody an opportunity, giving everybody a chance to get something. We will have one free item that's going to be in this video. I'm going to build it here in a few minutes. And then anybody else that does not win or that uses my code giveaway20 on my website shopkeeganco.com, you're going to save yourself 20% off on all items except for grip tape, because that's a custom build that I have to do. But you'll save yourself 20% off on clothing, on hats, on my skate decks, whatever else is on the website besides the grip tape, you're gonna save 20% off. So make sure you check out shopkeeganco.com, link in the description, I'll probably leave a title as well, and get yourself some cool skate gear, and then enjoy the rest of today's video. It's basically gonna be building a custom board that was featured in another video. Yeah, I'll talk about it again after we build it and do a montage, okay. As you can tell from that build and the video montage afterwards, this is going to be the giveaway board. The deck itself was made a few videos ago. It's a really cool process. I highly recommend checking it out, or at least trying it at home. All it requires is spray paint and dish soap, and technically a deck or whatever else you want to color. But it's a cool process, so check it out. Definitely do it. But you also might notice that the grip and the trucks are from last month's giveaway. Yeah, about that. So the giveaway winners that were chosen for the trucks and the grip, and technically the hardware and the skate tool, they never responded, they never replied. So they basically gave up the opportunity to win something free, and I waited literally an entire month to hear back from them, and I never got anything. So I decided to go ahead and put it into one bundle, mainly because the pink, the blue, pink, and blue, and then you've got the pink and blue on the trucks. I think it was just a really cool theme, I guess, and decided we're gonna go ahead and give away one of my custom boards again. Again, I apologize that the carbon fiber deck was not going to be here, but at least you're getting something that's cool and custom and built by me. It is missing the wheels and bearings, so that is something that you're going to have to get. I did not have the funds to go and grab that this time around. Again, it was spent on getting those giveaway decks that are not here yet. So yeah, I just dropped a nut. I'll make sure that's on there before I send it out. Anyway, make sure that you guys are commenting, make sure you're leaving a like, and make sure you're subscribed to the channel. Those are the 3 ways that you have to enter my videos, or enter the giveaway for my videos. It's really easy, it's quick, and it's 100% free. You do not have to pay for anything. I have sent out, what is this, my 6th monthly giveaway, and overall my 9th? I think it's my 9th overall giveaway in general, so make sure that you are liking, you're commenting, and you're subscribing so you can be here for all future monthly giveaways. You can at least try to enter for free. Again, those of you that do not win this entire month, you can go to shopkeeganco.com and you can save 20% off on everything on there except for grip by using the code giveaway20. That is live now, so make sure you check it out. Not only is the winner going to be getting a custom board that was built by me, they're also getting one of my all-time favorite belts. This is an arcade belt. They are stretchy, and they have a little plastic clip, so they pretty much fit anybody and everybody, and they are the best belts on the planet. I highly recommend them to anybody that's like an adventurer or that skates. They are long lasting, you can get them wet, they're durable, and if you go through airport security, I don't know who's flying anymore because of COVID, but if you go through airport security, you don't have to take your belt off. And that's the reason why I bought these, or got these originally. But thanks to COVID, I haven't done any flying, so that sucks. But you're gonna get one of my favorite belts. Definitely check Arcade out. They're super cool. No, it's not sponsored. I'm just a huge fan of their product, so I want to support them. You're also getting a Spitfire T-tool, so you can adjust anything and you can put your wheels on yourself whenever you get them, if you get them, or if you just want to keep this for a display board or whatever you want to do with it, it's yours at that point. But you will be getting a T-tool as well. Just make sure that you respond to the comment whenever I say congratulations, you won. If you don't, then it'll try to go to somebody else, or we'll try it again in April, because nobody seems to want free things. I don't know, it's weird. It's a weird issue we're having here. But anyway, that's gonna be it for today's video. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the quick little build we had and the montage, and I hope you're excited for this month's giveaway, and I hope you're excited for next month's giveaway since we had to postpone it. Regardless, thanks so much for coming back to the channel and supporting. Again, I really appreciate it. I hope you like my new car. If you didn't see that video, I got a Nissan Skyline, so make sure you check out that video. I don't know why I'm pointing that direction. I can't like physically go anything over there. I don't know. Anyway, I'm done talking. Y'all stay awesome. I'll see you on the next one. Later, guys.